My name is Amy, and I am a certified nutritionist, and I study through the Global College of Natural Medicine. And through studying and experimenting, I have found a way to use food as medicine instead of medication. Not that all medications should be taken out, but food can definitely play a part and make people very, very healthy so that their bodies work on their own and medications get lessened. So through high amounts of fruits and vegetables, the body can heal from inflammation and diabetes, heart disease, and energy goes up and sickness goes down. And of course, there's tons of little details put in there. So if you are interested in using food as medicine and you would like to try and become healthier, I would love to assist and help you. So please, email me if you would like to meet. My email is, or we don't have to meet, we could do it over the computer, whatever. But my email is shadetree73@gmail.com. So that again is shadetree73@gmail.com.